for joining us at American Rib Race Hardware. I'm Danny, the barbecue manager. Today we're doing some beer brats on the Big Green Egg. And so right now we have about a beer and a half, 2 beers in this tray. Some Italian sausages. You can change up the sausages anything you want. But it started with a couple tablespoons of butter, onion, let it break down a little bit, and then we added the beer, let it get to a warmer temp, then we put the beer brats in, or the brats in, I apologize. And we're gonna let them soak in, steam cook, and then we're gonna take them off and we're gonna get those good grill marks afterwards. So we're gonna cut to that one next. Thank you. All right, welcome back. We got our beer brats steamed in here really well. And we had it around 375, get that beer boiling with the onion, the garlic. And now we got our green egg set to around 600. And we're gonna go ahead and sear these guys off. All right, now with it being direct heat and 600, we're gonna only wait about a minute, minute and a half, and give them a little flip, and then get them in a bun and get some onion on it. All right, be right back. Yep. All right, we're ready to take these off. I'm gonna go ahead and get these buns off. Perfect. Slide this back out of my way. This, I'm just gonna be using my Killer Hogs brisket knife, and I'm gonna be cutting them in half for samples. Quick, easy beer brats. You just use the beer of your choice. Not your father's root beer adds a fun little element to that. And hopefully you're around American Rib Race Hardware today and you're stopping by, which is a few days ago at this point. All right, we'll see you next time.